Good day, Sir Madam. I'm Loreline Santos, 34 years old, single. I'm finished my studies in business management and entrepreneurship. About my working experience, I work as domestic helper in Kuwait.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Loreline. How are you right now?
I'm fine, Madam, sir.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
The right attitude as domestic helper, as honest, loyal, hardworking.
So can you tell us how to take care of the children?
I will give food, vitamins, change clothes.
So what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
I'm sorry, Madam Sir, and I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, Madam, please hire me as a domestic helper. I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Loreline, and good luck.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.